Error 9 is one of the most common technical issues encountered with Shark robot vacuums. This error code specifically indicates problems with the wheel motors or navigation system that prevent proper operation. When error 9 occurs, the robot vacuum displays this error code and typically stops functioning. The robot cannot move correctly or complete its programmed cleaning cycles. Error 9 falls into two primary categories. First, wheel motor problems, which include physical obstructions, mechanical wear, or electrical issues. Second, navigation system malfunctions involving sensor problems or software errors. Several key components are involved in Error 9 situations. The drive wheels contain motorized systems with encoders that track position and movement. These wheels include spring-loaded mechanisms for proper floor contact. The navigation and control systems include the main circuit board that processes movement commands, gyroscope and accelerometer sensors for orientation, camera modules for visual navigation, and motor driver circuits that control wheel movement. Error 9 has four primary causes based on current data. Hair and debris accumulation accounts for 45% of cases, mechanical wear represents 25%, sensor contamination causes 20%, and electrical issues make up the remaining 10%. Addressing Error 9 promptly is essential for several reasons. It prevents further mechanical damage, maintains cleaning performance, avoids warranty issues, and ensures continued reliable operation of your robot vacuum system. The first troubleshooting step for Error 9 is performing a complete power cycle of your Shark robot vacuum. This process resets the system and clears temporary software glitches that may be causing the wheel motor error. This power cycling process allows the robot's internal systems to fully reset, clearing any temporary errors in the wheel motor control circuits. The 30-second wait ensures all capacitors discharge completely. If power cycling doesn't resolve Error 9, proceed to Step 2, physical inspection and cleaning. This involves examining the robot's wheels and wheel wells for any obstructions that could prevent proper movement. Carefully inspect the drive wheels for hair, debris, or small objects that may be wrapped around the axles or lodged in the wheel wells. Pet hair and carpet fibers are the most common culprits causing wheel motor obstructions. Step 3 focuses on cleaning the navigation sensors and wheel encoders. These sensors are critical for the robot's movement and positioning, and dust or debris can cause Error 9 to persist even after physical obstructions are removed. Use a clean, dry cloth to gently wipe the wheel encoder sensors and navigation sensors located on top of the unit. Ensure no magnetic objects are nearby during this process, as they can interfere with the robot's navigation system. If the previous steps haven't resolved Error 9, perform a factory reset using the Shark Clean mobile application. This will restore all settings to their original state and recalibrate the navigation system. For persistent Error 9 issues that cannot be resolved through user troubleshooting, contact Shark customer support or visit an authorized repair center. Professional diagnosis may reveal internal component failures requiring specialized repair or replacement. Regular maintenance is essential for preventing Error 9 from occurring. Implement a weekly inspection routine and monthly deep cleaning schedule to maintain optimal performance and extend your robot vacuum's operational life.